Hello everyone and welcome to 4J Media Live for April 15th, 2019, and today we're going to talk about how to get started with Google Drive. So let's go over to my Google Drive that I already have open here on Firefox so I can show you a little demo on how to get started with Google Drive. So let's check it out. So you can see here, this is my Google Drive for my jwarner@4jmedia.com email that I have with G Suite, okay? Now, if you could look over here, right down here, these are the folders that I have set up. And this one right here is got more than one person collaborating on it. This one has got some of my podcasts that I've done. And then I have the webinar folder, which I don't have anything in there right now. And then I have course descriptions. So these are some of the files that I have on here that are for 4J Media. So this is how you work with the folder system. So I'm going to click new and click folder, and we'll do 05 and we'll do sample. Okay. Now when I do that, it's going to pop it up here at the bottom because I number it so that it stays in order. Now the other thing you can do is you can upload a file, you can upload a folder, you can create a Google Doc, Google Sheets, Google Slides. You can click on more and do Google Forms, Google Drawings, My Maps, Sites, and Jamboards. And so those features I'm actually going to be going over in separate videos. So I'm not going to cover that right now, but I just want to give you kind of a broad summary of what you can do with Google Drive. So here's the other thing. If you click on storage, it will show you what you've used, right? And it should show me, let me just see if it does. Oh, it doesn't show me anything. Okay. Normally what it does, it'll show you how much space you have left. But in this instant, for whatever reason, it doesn't show you how much space. I know I have a terabyte, so I've only used 204 meg. So I got plenty of space to work with my files and whatnot. And it's really easy to delete a file. You just select it, and then you click the remove button. And it's real easy to add stuff too. So if you wanted to add a folder inside of here, and let's call it 01 test, okay? It should pop up right away, okay? And then to add a file inside, you do new Google Doc, and then we'll call this test. And then click on it. That'll take you back. And then you see right here we have test inside of test. So I'm going to delete the test folder here. So if I click that and right click and do remove, it's going to delete the folder and the file itself. So that way it's just showing webinar. So that's kind of a brief introduction on how to get started with Google Drive. Like I say, in the future videos, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Forms, Drawings, My Maps, Sites, and Jamboard. And there's even more applications that you can connect. So I'll show you that real quick while we're talking about it here. See, you can do the Pixel Editor, WeVideo, Editor and Maker, DocHub, GeoGebra Classic, Mockups. There's a lot of tools. I mean, my gosh, look at all these. You can integrate all these into Google Drive. So you can really get into it and work with there's a lot of stuff to get into, that's for sure. So I'm really excited to talk to you more about Google Drive. And see here you can do multi-folder. So assign more than one containing folder for each of your files and folders. So let me see. That's just one example of something that you could use. You can use Sketchboard and project management, Google templates with Google Drive, a floor planner, Drive Tunes, video notes, Smartsheet, video player, MindMap. There's a lot of stuff on here. They have an HTML editor, so I can edit videos, HTML files right here on my Google Drive, which is really cool. So they have a lot of options. And like I said, I'm going to have a more in-depth course on this so you can learn even more about Google Drive. But this is really just an introduction to get you started. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.